Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. I'm going to share a very interesting trick today. Continue to take advantage of the old fan cage and the Coke cans are gone. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. I'm glad to see your support. After preparing the fan cage in advance and an empty can of water, let's use insulating tape. Wrap under the can of water. Take a nail and go through the hole. At the bottom, we just drill. Fixed again. We use glue guns and fix the water can. Fixed firmly. Ensure that it is not spilled. Now let's make a stand for this stand. Prepare 2 more nails. Do the same in the video. Put this fan cage on that rack after the alignment is complete, let's make the wires. It can be connected to the TV. Cutting the outer shell using the inner copper part. do. Head connected to TV. Continue with the rest. To connect to the antenna's power cord, watch and follow to avoid mistakes. Use electrical tape. Fixed again. So we started the experiment. This is my TV. Before connecting the antenna, it has no signal. Now, let's start connecting that antenna to the television. Find new channels. An old app can be so useful. You can adjust the position to increase the efficiency. You've discovered a very interesting trick. Simple, but effective. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it if you find it helpful. Subscribe to a channel to support me. Share, let everyone know. I wish you success.